very sad. This is sad. This was me 5 years ago. And I'm here to tell you that alcohol is poison. It can put you into psychosis. You could look like a psycho. My brain chemistry, it was not even working correctly. Yes, I got up and went to work every day. Yes, I made sure my kid was fed. Yes, I was a good parent, active parent. But my mental health was struggling. And the scariest thing was, I didn't even know that I was an alcoholic until I was a really bad alcoholic. It sneaks up on you. As women, we digest alcohol different anyways. And it is just so sad that the wine culture and, let's go have a drink. Everything is surrounded by booze. And I just want to let you know that that shit can make you crazy. Crazy. Like, look at me now. I'm here. Anyone needs me, I'm right here.